Hello and welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are your monthly readings for the sun, moon and the rising sign of Cancer. Please keep in mind this is your group general reading for the month of January 2025. Since it's a group reading, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And if you really like what I do on the channel, please do like, subscribe the channel and put on the notifications. And for any personal private read, my email ID, my website is mentioned in the description box below. Now I've changed the pattern of doing the monthly reading a little bit. This is the energy oracle. I'm going to see the tarot, and then I'm also going to pull out the cards, the money career related cards for your month of January. And then I'm going to clarify this with the career oracle card, and I'm also going to pull out the love relationships card and the angel messages and the crystal for the month as well. Let us see what messages do we have into your energies. You have the appreciation coming in, Cancer people. You also have the third chakra archangel Kemule, and you also have a caring connection. Now these were some of the flyers which were falling from the deck. This month is going to be a much better month than the usual other months, usual other period of your life. The overall period is going to give you a different kind of sense of security, and this is going to reassure that the appreciation is also bringing lot of comfort, lot of luxury, lot of easiness into your life. You will be taking life little in a joyful manner. I also see that you will be developing better relationships from now, or suddenly you will see that the relationship people you are into, I'm not just talking about only your love relationship or only your partner in your married life, I'm talking about all the relationships are going to be much more encouraging, much more supportive and caring towards your well-being. The overall the energy oracle is also giving you an indication that you need to be very cautious and careful about you feeling in control of anything, or you trying to over control anything. That could be any situation, any person, or any relationship you wanted to control. Just keep your ego, your pride into under a heavy check this particular month. But overall, some kind of growth in your personal life, in your professional life is 100% sure. And if I see your overall reading, you have the number 6, you have number 1, and you have number 5, which is an indication that yes, the planet Venus is also getting very active into your life, into your astrological chart, which is going to be responsible to bring the luxury, the name, fame into your life, and the communication, because that is representing the planet Mercury, that is also going to be very very influential in the month of January. And with the number 1 present here, the clarity will come into lot of aspects. Now, if you have any illusion, any confusion into any area of your life, the number 1 is going to ensure that the needed clarity should be, or you will see the facts, the figures, the reality coming out to you very, very soon. Now, if I see the tarot cards, the insights from tarot card, yes, the Empress responsible to bring all the fertility, growth and the settlement into any kind of situation. Either ways, you have number 6, you have the appreciation energy, and now it is reconfirmed by the presence of Empress. This card is also significant card to let you know that there is a possibility that you might start a business, you might start a venture, you might begin an entrepreneurship out of your area of your passion, of your of your hobby. Maybe you will make some business out of it which is going to be very very fruitful and growing for you. Rather, the card is actually giving you an indication that you must start something of your own. And the other card, you have a beautiful 2 of cups and King of Wands. If I see the overall reading, Cancer people, after a very long time, I'm witnessing such a good reading in the first month of 2025. Yes, 2 of cups might make you closer to a new person into your life. Especially, this is a good time for people who are single. Be ready to move into a relationship very soon. There is also a possibility that you might start a business or a venture, not just alone, but in collaboration with someone, in partnership with someone. Maybe the friendship might get changed into a professional endeavor. And yes, people will take you as a leader because of your hard work and passion. So overall, the month is going to be a very fruitful, very positive, and a very motivating month for all my Cancer people out there. And be ready to witness good time personally and professionally, both. Now let us see some specific cards related to your money career. You have 3 of Pentacles, you have 9 of Pentacles. Oh my goodness, and you have the lucky 10 of Cup. Cancer people, be ready to receive, to witness a lifelong wish fulfillment coming your way, because you're very close to 10 of Cups and 9 of Pentacle. These two are rather the most significant good cards, and a cards which are directly related to money, career, finances, wish fulfillment into your life. That is 100% going to happen. And yes, because you have 2 of Cups and 3 of Pentacles, it is time, even if you are starting something for your own, as a business or a venture, try to collaborate with people, move into business partnership, try to bring people along, because working with people, working in groups, working in collaboration is something which is going to give you 10 folds of achievements, accomplishments into your personal and professional life. And let us see your oracle card related to your careers. So the card of flashback has a message which says people from the past will also return back, bringing the joyful opportunity collaborations into your life. You may work with a previous co-worker or take back an old job. You will get a second chance to work with them for sure. And the other card today you have is also the card of flexibility. You will need to see in the dark to maneuver the coming changes. While it seems extreme, just hang in there. This too shall pass. I do feel from your reading that the tough period, the challenging period, the period with struggles, the period with hardships, or the workplace politics, comments, critical behavior by people, or any such thing is now your past, and you are actually moving into a very, very fruitful and a very supportive kind of professional time period from now on. And the last card is also bringing the beautiful renewal into your professional life, which says you need to take time to recharge yourself, your energy, to get back on track. If you feel that you were out of track, or you were overburdened, or you were exhausted from any kind of professional turmoil, it is time to bring back all the energies. And either ways, your career, your professional life, your money situation is going to receive the new heights this particular year. Your energy to get back on track, challenges ahead require you to have faith and break through. So it's a beautiful renewal time for you. Just bank upon on your relationships and your communication with people. It's a very supportive people going forward, supportive period going forward. Now let us see some specific messages related to your love and relationships this particular month for my lovely Cancer people. You do have the Hierophant, which is again a major arcana energies, and you'd have again 9 of Cups. Look at your reading. You are getting multiple 9s into your reading, and multiple 9s, especially 9 of Cup and 9 of Pentacle, is a closure. But the closure will lead to a wish fulfillment, will lead to a lot of materialistic gain, and it will lead to a lot of happiness also. So if you say that you were struggling in personal professional life, yes, the closure is coming to the turmoils, to the challenging period, but on the way going forward, the best thing you always wanted to have, that is also going to be received by you for sure. So even in your love relationship, it seems that you are going to have some good time ahead. And the card of Hanging Man says that even there is a wish fulfillment, there can be little temporary adjustments or a modifications from your own end. But trust me, when I see your overall reading, there are 2 major arcana cards into your love relationship reading this month, which says there is no need for extraordinary efforts to make things work. and there is also no need to experiment anything for that matter. Just keep on moving the way you have been moving, so for such a long period into your love life or married life, and just concentrate on your good energies and the happiness between both the parties, and things will become all right for you. So yes, this month is the month of taking things easily and taking things in a very playful and joyful manner, and there is no harm, because when I'm seeing the Hanging Man and when I'm seeing the first chakra, Archangel Camille, the more you are adjusting with people outside or into your relationship, you have to actually adjust with your own ego, your own pride. I'm not replacing ego or pride with your self respect. I'm telling you to keep a watch on your ego and pride even in a relationship. If you have to adjust a little bit to that, if you have to compromise a little bit for the betterment of the relationship, and if you truly love your partner, there is no harm in making any modifications and choices into your own life. Just do that, because that is the need of the hour into your love relationships. Now let us see what specific messages do we have from your love relationship deck. And you have a card of passion, which says it's time for you to allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. And if you see your reading, since beginning of your reading, I'm trying to tell you that try to be little playful and joyful in all aspects of your life. And the other card today you have is a card of retreat. Yes, it's time for you to have some quiet time, some discreet time, away from the external noises and voices, to spend some quality time with your partner and give the needed nurturing, respect, love, and time to the relationship. It's time to disconnect from the world and give some peaceful time, some retreat time to yourself and to your partner. So overall, if I see your reading, it's a very encouraging and a good reading. And the best part into your reading is that you are getting lot of support from all directions going forward for this particular month. Now let us see which crystal is going to be lucky for you this particular month. And the card you have today is a card of lapis lazuli. Look, you can have a look at the crystal. It's a very beautiful crystal, not just for this month, but you may retain this crystal for rest of your life. It gives overall protection, and it gives lot of intuition, and it brings lot of needed changes into your life as well. The changes which are about to happen, you will start getting a lot of intimations about it if you are using this crystal in any form, be it necklace, pendant, or a ring, or if you're just keeping that crystal at your working table. It says there are life changing epiphany or experience coming to you. It is going to be a big time, a big and blessed changes are now going to happen for you. God is also supporting you at each and every step in the way. That's the biggest thing into your reading. When your stars, when God makes everything, the route clear for you, it's very easy to walk through the path. So it all depends, it's a divine intervention, Cancer people, that you are going to get a lot of natural support from people from all aspects of your life in the month of January. And if you can analyze that, if you're getting it in the first month of the year 2025, how the rest of the year is going to be. It's going to be with full of energy, full of support throughout the year. Now let us see your final messages for the month, your angel answers for the month of January. You have a card which says unlikely, and you also have a card which says meditation brings answer, and the other card you have is a card of romance. Now this unlikely says that maybe the wish fulfillment will not be exactly the way you are expecting it to come, or you are expecting it to receive. It may come to you in a little modified way, or maybe there can be some little move ahead or forward of time, but you are definitely going to receive it soon. For any difficulty, challenge this month, or a delay this month as per your expectations, the meditation, you connecting with your own inner self, your own prayer, your positive affirmation is going to help you. And yes, needless to say, this month is a very good period for you if you are planning to invest your time, your energy, and if you're looking forward to change into your love life, into your romantic life, or into your married life. Yes, this month is going to be the month of repair, and especially for people who are waiting for their ex to return, they're waiting for a reunion, they're waiting for a patch up. It's a very good period for all my lucky Cancer people out there. I really enjoyed your reading for the month of January 2025. Do let me know how you resonated with this reading. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.